Yeah, look for nice food. Hey, what's up, guys? I never planned for no vlog today or nothing. But there, I just cook my nice, delicious dinner. You see that? Shrimp, fish, vegetable, boiled plantain, banana dumpling, potato, and banana, of course. Guys, some decides to make a eat and vlog. I don't know what I'm doing today, so hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? What y'all guys been up to? This is not about mukbang, I'm just eating it, you guys. This is very hot because I literally just take it off. Trust me, guys, this is so good. You wanna know something? I don't know what to call this. This food that I just prepared, I just have some stuff and I decided to put everything together. You know? And it come out perfect. Some okra, I love okra. Cucumber. I love cucumber. Even pickle. Some shrimp here. So what y'all guys been up to? So you can see these days it's just me alone because I don't have the kids. They're not here with me. You know? And guys, this is Curry Kitchen. I don't know where the snake come from, the fly around at the house, you know. The bump show. Tired of rice now. Me eat rice. You know, if I make the rice, I mean, it's not a rice person. You know, anybody know me, it's not a rice person. So this is banana dumpling. Y'all remember banana dumpling? Where you grate the banana and then you put the green banana, you grate the green banana and put it inside of the flour. And you need it like where I put the cornmeal in the flour. This is so good. I'm afraid of hot food, so I'm have to cool it. I can't eat hot food. I really fancy the hot food business, but this food is so good, guys. Like, honestly, this is so good. Guys, remember we are on the road to 100. I'm saying 100, 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, we can go 100 too. It doesn't matter because I want to reach there. You know, no turning back. Yeah, but I'm on the road now to 1,000 subscribers, guys. You guys have to make it happen. You know? You guys have to make it happen. $1,000 subscribers. And guys, please don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the so good. This is so good, like, so good. My phone is rest on my laptop, so I'm actually doing something. What if, listen to me. These flies, I don't know, as you open the door, one of them fly in. Don't worry, as me finish eat some, I go spray, you know. Anybody know about America? No, say when it is summertime, Jesus Christ, bugs, flies, everything is just ridiculous. You know? It's just ridiculous. This is like so good. Piece of my fish. This is really good. Like, it's the first time I'm preparing this meal. Like this combination, guys. I'm gonna tell you what I prepared. Right? I don't have a name for it. It's strange, right? So I have some lettuce in the fridge with cucumber and carrot, and I decided I was gonna steam some lettuce. Yeah, you can steam lettuce. It tastes real good. You know? You know, all me know so lettuce can steam when me there at Trinidad. Yeah. This dude, I was a Jamaican. I say steam lettuce and me taste. I say, outside, that's very nice. So I say, I go steam the lettuce because I don't make it waste, you know? Because I know if it's there, most of them not going to eat it. Them not going to eat the lettuce raw. So I say, I steam it. I steam it, then I say, right, it have some shrimp in the fridge, you know, shit. I already steam up the lettuce. I taste the sauce bad. So I say, you know what I do? I say, the sauce from the lettuce, I'm going to throw it in one different pot. Because my father don't eat shrimp. So I couldn't mix everything at the same time together. I already take out for him vegetable, put aside. So I say, you know what? I'm going to steam some fish, some fillet. You know? And I use the same sauce when I use to steam the lettuce. You know? Because I think well seasoned nice. I use the same sauce. The shrimp shell, piece of shell, get there. I strip it, but I still go. So I put the fillet first in the sauce and make it steam down. When you finish, I take out my father's one, put aside, then I add the shrimp in there. Guys, I don't regret doing this meal. It is like so. Now watch how I hold the glass, so, you know. Because I know nothing neat up. I know how to hold a wine glass, okay? A food and nutrition I do at school. So I know how to hold a wine glass. Yeah. You know, some people like to criticize, but some people see it as nothing. Yes, and I saw me come up with a meal here. I am definitely going to make this again. I don't like to eat and talk. I'm always bite my tongue. So yes, guys. This is so good. Wow. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. I'm glad to say I can help myself, especially cooking, and this is something that I love to do. I not just do it because I do YouTube. I love cook. Anybody can tell you who know me. Let me hear do, but I don't want to take off this because the ear long and I can't bother to take it off. Wrap up it back. Yeah. Anybody know me know some I love cook. I cook every day, you know, like every single day. I'll cook every day. When you have a passion for something, guys, just do it. Don't make nobody discourage you. I'm gonna touch a banana. Taste how the banana tastes. Actually soft. I wish y'all could try this food that I'm eating. You know? What is that? Lightning out the door. You hear that? I'm afraid of thunder, you know, guys. So I'm about to end this video because I'm not use device when thunder the roll. I'm very. I don't know about Uno, but me not like lightning and thunder, you know? So guys, please don't forget to like my video, share my videos, tell a friend about Curry Goodaz and the gang. Don't worry, the gang soon will be here soon. The next 2 weeks I have the gang with me. You know when time I have them a crazy thing, right? Guys, this one. I have some things in store. Jesus! You see, I make Mr. T cry. I never want to make him cry, but trust me, these boys, I love them so much, but I don't have to do that on them. The YouTube them say they want to do, and them make me do this, you know. Auntie, you always have video. I'm sorry, guys. Auntie, you always have video. Why you don't make a YouTube channel? Actually, I had made a YouTube channel before. I'm gonna go up with some video, but me never them time I don't know about copyright and all of that. You know, so I don't use that channel. I just start right over fresh, you know. Yes, so the other one that say you need to do a YouTube channel, you know. Yeah. And that's how I start my YouTube channel. So you know when time the kids them come match crazy thing. It's gonna be crazy thing, you know? Crazy thing. Guys, if you guys never try boil plantain, y'all need to try it. If you guys don't know what to do, are you afraid it boil out pound, because you know say plantain is something way easy to be prepared, you know. Just wash off the plantain and boil it in the skin. This one it's not fully ripe. It look ripe but it's not fully ripe, you understand, but it still tastes good. It have a sweet taste, but if it's fully ripe, trust me, you get the buzz where you want. I tell you. So if you feel like you got in the skin, just wash it off, cut off the bottom, cut off the top, and slice it up, and drop it in your boiling water. I know what time it finished, within like 8 minutes. Yes guys, a call coming just a while ago, but I'm about to cut the video. As you can see, I'm finished eating. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day, stay safe, remember to wear the mask, you know, yeah, because you know people can't stay in because people have to go out to make their money, you know, yeah, and everybody fortunate like everybody if you can't stay home and make money. So just wear your mask, remember to wash your hand as often as possible. If you can wash it every 15 minutes, you wash it every 15 minutes, you know, yeah. But wash your hand, use your hand sanitizer, all of that guys. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Please click that bell so you'll be the first one to get my video also. Bye, I'm out.